Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite vacation tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you some things I don't like about the LG V60 ThinQ. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to just go over some things I don't like about the LG V60 ThinQ. Yes, I'm making this video today because I got a comment saying that, oh, this phone can't be perfect. You seem like you love everything. So I'm making this video to actually show people what I don't like about the phone. As a reviewer, it's my responsibility to point out some things I don't like. Everything I'm going to point out in this video is not a deal breaker to me. I'm still actually really enjoying the phone. It's just some things that LG could improve on. If you disagree with me with the things I don't like, please let me know in the comments. If you have the phone, we can definitely get a discussion going. I don't mind having discussions in my comments with my subscribers or anybody that's watching the video. Yes, I'm really enjoying the phone a lot. I will be making my 2-week review coming up soon. But this video is different. This one's are the things I don't like about the phone. So the first thing I want to point out is the front of the dual screen. It could be a little bit more useful. And I don't know why it flickers on the camera like that, but the front screen, it tells you the time, you get a notification, but you don't get, you can't do nothing. You have to actually open the phone up, unlock it before you can do anything. I mean, I don't know, maybe the app's on there, maybe at least show me the full notification I'm getting. I don't know, I think the front screen could be used a little bit better. Now I know what a lot of people are going to say, oh, it's going to drain the battery. I understand that. Again, these are just my opinions. I think the front of the screen could be used for a little bit more than just the date, the time, and just show me what type of notifications I'm getting. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. The next thing I want to talk about is the overall size of the phone. It's a big phone. And then you add this case on there. Look. It's a big, heavy-duty phone, especially with the case. Even without the case, let's move this bad boy. It's a big phone. I mean, it's bigger than my S20 Ultra, which is downstairs. But look. The footprint of the phone is big. And yes, you put it into the case, it even get bigger, which I knew. I mean, hey, again, I knew what I'm getting into, but look, it's a big phone. Now, if you don't like oversized phones, then this phone may not be for you, but it does look great though, that gold. The overall size and weight of this phone, once you add this case, man, it's a heavy phone. So that's the number 2 thing I don't like. Is the overall size. Yes, I don't know. They could actually minimize this a little bit. We could get rid of some of that bezel and bezels on the side to make it a little bit smaller, but it is what it is. The next thing I am not enjoying about the phone is that front camera. The front camera, I just suspected more from LG. I was hoping they actually finally listened to us and put a better camera on there. Now, yes, I know, don't get your panties in a bunch. You can shoot in 4K at 60 frames. It does a pretty good job when everything's right, the lighting's right. But when you get in some low light situations, or just compared to the S20 Ultra and even my Pixel 4 XL, LG is still behind in that category when it comes to the front camera. Yes, I was expecting more. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not the end of the world, is not the worst camera ever, but I definitely wanted more from the front camera. Now in the rear cameras, that would be a different video, what I really enjoyed about the phone. But the front cameras, yes, I expected a little bit more. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. And leading with the front camera too, look at that. Front camera, guess what they don't have on this phone? Face unlock. Why? Why, LG? The only way I can unlock my phone is with the fingerprint scanner. Now, don't get me wrong. The fingerprint scanner is fine. It works great. not that big of a deal. You know, it works pretty good. But when I got used to my Pixel 4 XL, just imagine you open the phone, you look at it, and it will be unlocked. Come on, LG. You have one of the best technologies for the front camera on the LG G8 ThinQ. Put something on there. It doesn't have to even be that secure. I don't care. I don't have nobody that's trying to get into my phones. And if I did, then they wouldn't be living in my house. And I don't have nothing to hide on my phones anyway. So yes, the face unlock is the number 4 thing that I don't like about the phone, or I wish that it will have. It doesn't have it. What y'all think? Oh, y'all missing the face unlock? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Now, and the last thing, a lot of people want to say, oh, you're nitpicking stuff. You're just trying to nitpick the LG V60 apart. But again, these are my opinions. The last thing, when you have the case on there, the charging port. Why? Why do I need a magnetic clip to clip on that? They need to make a new design. It's hard to find a replacement clip if you lose it. It's like a dongle for your charging port. It makes no sense. If I want to charge it downstairs, I either have to come upstairs and get it, or just take it out the case, which is not a big deal. I know. Don't be lazy. Take your phone out and charge it. But I don't know. I think they can make a better design. I don't know. What y'all think? Do y'all agree or disagree with that? I know it's nitpicking. I know it's a minor thing in the whole situation of the phone. But y'all let me know. Yeah, I know what you're going to say. You can wireless charge. Why not? And yes, you can actually wireless charge with the case on it too. So you don't even have to take the case off of it. And see, it will wireless charge, but I don't use wireless charging that much, to be honest. So I wish they would just make a different design with the clip down there. I don't have any suggestions on how. Maybe the USB Type-C. I don't know. All right, so that was about 5 things I don't like about the LG V60 ThinQ. Please let me know if you agree or disagree. Are these deal breakers for you with the LG V60 ThinQ? Yes, the case is not water resistant either. I guess you can add that to the list of things that you don't like. And some people don't like it that it's a 1080p screen. Again, that doesn't bother me either. On the 5 things I listed, is that a deal breaker for y'all? Do you have the phone? Do you agree or disagree? Let's get a discussion going in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the V60 ThinQ. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, also at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation, and until next time, peace, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.